Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Edge. Now, in order for us to get started, we're here in Microsoft Edge. I'm going to go ahead and click this profile right here, and we're going to go ahead and click where it says set up a new personal profile. After doing that one, you're going to go ahead and choose your account here. If you don't have one yet, if it's not synced here, go ahead and click this one right here. And then go ahead and click sign in to sync data, and you're going to go ahead and enter it here. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and click sign in, and there you go. So normally it would ask you to enter a password. However, since it already has a record here, I can go ahead and click confirm and continue, and then click this again. And then I'm gonna go ahead and set up my profile. So the overall appearance is gonna be dark, tab layout is gonna be horizontal, and then the theme that I'm gonna be choosing is this one right here. And then click next once again. Now, websites that I want to pin in the taskbar, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one. So from here, you are going to see something like this, confirmation. If you're going to go ahead and click the yes button, it should appear right here. Now, this time, go ahead and click finish right here, and you are good to go. So yeah, you have now created or synced your new profile here in Microsoft Edge. You have the option to rename this one, by the way. You can go ahead and click this one right here, click this, and then you can go ahead and name this one, for example. In my case, I choose work profile, and then you can choose whatever emoji you want here. I'm gonna go ahead and use that for example, and that's it. Yep, congratulations everybody. That's how you're going to create a new profile in Microsoft.